If you're naming your files like this, it's not imposter syndrome, it's storage spaghetti, and we've all been there. Let's face it, file management is the silent killer of creativity. One wrong click, one misnamed file, and your project is lost in the digital wilderness. But what if there was a better way? What if you could find that perfect shot in seconds, keep your sanity, and actually finish your projects on time? Step 1. Embrace the folder system. It's your secret weapon against digital disarray. Create a clear, logical structure for your raw footage, scripts, sound effects, and everything else. Think client name, August 2025, ACAM footage instead of random clips or StuffToSort. Make it descriptive, not just structured. For Mac users, apps like Folder Tidy can automate your file organization based on custom rules. For example, you could set up Folder Tidy to automatically move any file ending in MP4 to your raw footage folder, or any file containing SFX in the name to your AudioAssets folder. It's like having a digital assistant to instantly sort your files, leaving you to focus on the creative stuff. Now, if you want to go beyond basic folders, check out the Para method. It's a system used by productivity nerds, and it totally works for video editors too. Here's how. Think of projects as active video jobs. Areas are ongoing responsibilities like your brand or client work, while resources are topics you're interested in, and archive is everything completed or inactive. Think project name, date, category. For example, summer vacation, 8th of August 2025, raw footage. To structure this based on the Para system, consider these subfolders within your main project folder. You have your projects or active jobs, which contain editing, all your active project files, timelines, and work-in-progress elements. Your areas will be your ongoing responsibilities, containing footage organized by source material, broken down as A footage, your primary camera, and B footage, your secondary camera or drone shots. You can also have a screen recordings folder if you're doing tutorials and screen demos. Then you have your assets, your ingredients to create an attractive piece. Here you can have stock footage like licensed clips and graphics, audio assets like music, SFX, and voiceovers, and graphics such as logos, lower thirds, and brand elements. Then you have your resources, which can be different topics of interest such as references, inspiration, tutorials, and research materials related to your project. Lastly, your archive can contain completed or inactive projects. Here you can have an exports folder for the final project versions, renders, and backups, and an old versions folder for previous versions and deleted media. Be consistent and precise, and save your future self from endless scrolling and wasted time. Structuring your content this way helps your project grow in an organized way. By the time you finalize your project, everything is ready for distribution. And let's not forget how incredibly practical it will be when you'll need to implement feedback for clients or collaborators. Staying organized isn't just a nice to have, it's a must for smooth revisions and a stress-free life. So, what if your editing software could also help? That's where Flixier comes in. It has a built-in folder system so all your assets, video, audio, and graphics stay organized right inside your project. No more bouncing between apps or hunting through Finder windows. Just drag, drop, and create. Clean, simple, and designed to keep you focused on editing, not searching. Because let's be honest, a well-organized project is a finished project. It's the difference between a headache and a masterpiece. So, ditch the chaos, embrace folders, and start editing smarter with Flixier. Got your own folder hacks or naming schemes? Drop them in the comments below. We're always looking to steal smarter habits. Until next time, happy editing!